All right, welcome back to science. Today you're going to open up your launch pad, find where your STEM scopes is. It's a little white box with STEM scopes in it. Open it up. Now, when you open yours is going to look a tad bit different than mine. I'm going to have to go find mine, but yours should look something similar to this. So today for science, you're going to come down to Science Today, watch it. And all you have to do today is watch the video. You don't need to answer the questions because you're going to come back and do that tomorrow. You've done a lot of work this morning and you have a few more things left to do. So just watch the video today and that way you're not doing too much work. All right, I will see you back here for social studies when you're done watching this video.